Samsung's Galaxy Active series, and increasingly ruggedized wearables, have helped establish the company's prowess as the only true champion for more active, or careless, mobile consumers. Starting with the Galaxy S4 Active, Samsung began offering IP67 waterproofing, years before it was a flagship standard, and rugged design, which has now expanded to military standard certifications and drop tests, extreme temperatures, and IP68 waterproofing. Year after year these active variants have been released shortly after Samsung's Galaxy flagship, often tweaking small aspects of inner hardware to match the outer theme. This year we see arguably the Android phone of the year, the Galaxy S8, step up 1000 mAh in battery size, and gain all the rugged military-grade hardware to produce the Galaxy S8 Active. But in a world where IP67 is the norm for flagship phones, some even offer shatterproof displays. Is the Active series still needed? Let's examine what it brings to the table. In the box. Galaxy S8 Active. USB-A to USB-C adapter, female to male. Micro USB to USB-C adapter, female to male. USB-C to USB-A charging cable. Adaptive fast charging wall plug. Warranty and getting started guide. As mentioned, this is an AT&T exclusive as of the time of this writing, so don't expect full compatibility on any other network. But you do have LTE ProCat 16, which means that S8 Active is properly equipped to utilize gigabit LTE in the coming years. Otherwise, the Active has all the same standards as the regular S8, including Bluetooth 5.1, NFC/MST for mobile payments, and wireless charging.